Hello everyone, this is Dorothy. I promised you all an after video of the bathroom. I have a before video of this bathroom of the house that I bought for $20,000. This is the video that had, this is the bathroom, sorry, that had pink and white wallpaper. It had pink and white wallpaper on the ceiling, as you can see. I changed the lights, I cleaned the mirrors, and what I did was the tile, this is tile. This tile was pink. And what I did was I sanded it down, put shellac on it. Y'all know that I am a big proponent of shellac. And I shellacked it, sanded it down first, shellacked it, and painted the tile. It's pink. It was pink tile. Now the countertop was a laminate countertop, and it was pink and brown and beige. But I painted the countertop also, and you can see what you can do with paint on a bathroom that was just almost. People just told me that I should just dump it. Well, I put a new sink, and I put a new the water faucets, the faucets on it. The faucet was only 20 bucks at Home Depot. And I made a dress, and the dressing area was there. I dressed it up a little bit. I haven't really decorated it, but it is a really nice little bathroom. It came out beautifully. And the cabinets, these cabinets were a laminate light brown cabinet. And what I did was I painted those also. And there's a painting technique that I'm going to show you to make these cabinets actually look like they're store-bought, if you can see the top of it. So here is the video that I promised you. The bathroom turned out beautiful. It's a big bathroom. Anybody can do it. You can paint over wallpaper. If you contact me on I put in a new toilet also. If you contact me on this video, I will tell you exactly what I did to paint this wallpaper. Maybe there's the pink tile that I had. I haven't done that yet. I haven't finished that yet, but the bathtub is the last part that I'm going to do. So I'm going to show y'all the bathtub. And all I'm going to really do is paint that pink tile, and I'm going to paint the same color as the wall. But it's made for actually people who really have disabilities or somebody getting up hard. But I hope y'all like this video. I'm going to actually do all of the whole room. Every room separately, and you'll see what a $20,000 house can turn into a $90,000 house. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Good day.